Thank you for visiting my visual tour today. If you have questions or would like to schedule an appointment to personally tour property on Lake WEDOWEE, call Terry Norton at 404-317-5120. We work hard for our clients. This is a great deal, with a one-level open floor plan tiny home that is totally cute for the weekend getaway with 2 lots, 1.31 acres, unrestricted, 216 feet of year-round water, 2 docks, 24 by 28 boathouse with a winch system, power and water. This is a golden retreat with a future home site or add-on to the tiny home. The tiny home has 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom with an open family room and kitchen. The covered deck offers awesome views of the lake. The boathouse is a man's dream with a nice covered patio that is fantastic for entertaining with your family and friends. Plenty of room for your boat, side-by-side and lake toys. The adjoining lot is ideal for an RV or additional home. It is an easy walk to the covered floating dock with a sun deck. You are located in a large private cove that is not overcrowded, that is great for kids to swim and have fun with no boat traffic. The best of both worlds with the lake and natural landscaping of Sweet Home, Alabama.